Okay, it's the unboxing of my number one hitter, the VGR 056. I mean, when I say hitter, this is a hitter right here. I put this up against any one of your top hitters, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna get your linings crispy. And voila, this is the beauty right here. I got the gold edition, and I really got it because of the way it looks, man. It looks gorgeous, and they didn't disappoint. Once I got the package, I'm like, man, when I opened it up, I'm like, yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, it comes with the cord, USB cord cable, and brush, you know, the typical, with the guards and whatnot. Nobody ever uses guards for a trimmer, but yeah, get that thing off of there. Let's see the merchandise. Yes, gorgeous. Got the ridges on the back for a little grip. Get that out of there. A little grippiness. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. That's what it's all about. Yep. You see it. Nice sharp blades. Zero gap. It's like almost zero. And I love this blade that comes on here. The top blade. But let me show you why I really got it. What really drew my attention. Why I chose to go with the gold. Because I have this baby right here that is like the exact match. Let's get this plastic off of here so you can see it live in full color. Yeah, check that baby out right there. Yeah. See that? Matching pair. Mother and daughter right there. Gorgeous. You know, so look, the back is the same with the ridges and whatnot. See that? You know, so man, when you're cutting with these, you look like, you know what you're doing, man. This is a chopper right here. But I couldn't wait to test this trimmer out and see what I had to do if I had to modify it.
5 minutes later.
And yes, did have to modify it. Gonna throw that wall detailer blade on there. And let's see what's what. Now you got to take the 2 screws off, of course. And surprisingly, you don't even need the wall detailer cam follower. The cam follower that comes on this clipper is the exact same cam follower, so you really don't need it. Well, you absolutely don't need the wall detailer cam follower. All you need is the blade, top and bottom. Cutting blade is what's really important. That's what's really important. Remember that. This cam follower, that's the one that comes on the clipper. You don't need the wall detailer cam follower. It's the exact same cam follower. It's a different color and fits right there perfectly, no problem. So this is just basically just swapping a blade. Set it on there just as the original blade was on there. Put the screws in and you're good to go. But I must say, after doing this, I actually found that I didn't need the wall detailer top blade. I prefer the top blade that comes on the trimmer, and I just basically modified it. I sharpened the blade that came on the clipper. So after doing this and putting the wall detailer blade on it, It was very sharp, but the only thing I don't like about the wall detailer blade is you see those edges, those thick edges on the side. You know, those are gaps on the side where it's not cutting. It won't cut the hair on the sides right there. So I found that the original blade is it just has teeth all the way to the edge. So when I'm doing those like the curves and the edge of the lineup, it's just a lot more precise when you use that blade. There you have it. That's the swap right there. Like I said, that's not what I use. I use the original blade. But if you use it like this, it's a hitter. If you can deal with the wall detailer blade, that's cool. It is what it is. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm Ray Smitty. It's Andis, baby.